Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Got a Mavic Pro II update coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. As you remember, a few weeks ago, I posted some renderings from our friend Ostolev regarding the Mavic Pro II, and here they are. I'm going to put them up on the screen for you to see. Today, he announced on his Twitter account that the Mavic Pro II will be announced earlier than the Phantom 5. And he said the reasoning behind this is that it takes less time to develop the prototype for the Mavic Pro II than it does for the Phantom 5. So that's some exciting news. He also mentioned that it will be completing beta testing today and hopefully in the shop next month. So my guess is we're probably looking at a late spring time that this will be released, probably in the April-May timeframe, somewhere around say, the same time that the Spark was announced. So this is some exciting news. And of course, as we all know, Ostolev is considered a reliable source as he correctly predicted the Zenmuse camera back in October. So again, some exciting news. So be sure to keep it to Build a Drone Reviewer and hit that subscribe button so you can be able to catch any of the latest updates. Of course, I'll get them out on the YouTube channel. Tell others about our channel. Be sure to check out my Facebook page where I post daily updates on the drone industry and any news regarding drones. Also, make sure you check out my blog where I do updates, reviews, and also anytime that we do one of these videos, it gets put out there as well. Thanks a lot for watching and happy flying!